guys, welcome back. I just got a package. And so now I have to open it, of course. But hold on, before I open it, it's ages 4 and up. Why do I have to say that? It's 5 Farm Besties. Series 1, I think. 1 set. Collector set. And here's all the pets. So, they come with all little accessories. And I'm wondering, what do they come with? Well, I can see what they come with, but I'm wondering if they're like, yeah, you know what I mean. Probably. Oh no, I'm missing a cute little package. So sometimes you have to do that, guys. Ordered it off of Amazon.com. Sorry, Temu. I ordered tons of LPS from there. I have like 17 coming. Let's see. What the hell? Oh, I got the rooster card. That's very cute. I got the rooster card. Let's see what we got, I guess. So first I'm gonna get out the hay bale. Look at that, guys. Then we gotta get up the bone. Ow! Now, guys, it's a biscuit for a dog. I don't want you thinking like it's a nano bone. Off of an animal, because that would be sus. It's like a biscuit for a puppy. And here's the biscuit. Let's get the pail. Carrots. I have seen LPS carrots, but I've never gotten accessories before. So I don't even know what this is for. I gotta look on the back of the box. What's the weight thing for? Oh, it's for the goat. Or whatever the heck. The cow. Ah! Sorry guys, I'm so weak. Not literally. I think I'm gonna have to go grab the scissors, so hold on for 1 second. Guys, we're back with my Carrie's cat that was gonna almost eat scissors. Mwah. Okay, Bella, you have to stay back there because I don't want you getting hurt. I mean, but girl, I have to literally cut open this. Okay, guys, this is the hardest set I've ever tried to open. Bella. My hand stuck in the ripped plastic. Okay, let's try and get I don't know what to do. Do I leave it in the plastic forever? Or can I get it out? That's what I'm really doing. Ah! You took the oh, nah. In this set, I got all of them. Not literally, guys. Not literally. Now, I ordered a whole set, which I ordered 17. Plus 1 more. Which equals 18. So, I have 18 more LPS coming. So, if you want to see me unbox those soon, I just got, yeah, you're just going to see me, soon you're going to see me unboxing a blind bag of LPS. And then I have 17 more coming. I have to wait for them. Here, guys. Look at my little kitty. I think, hold on, guys. 1 second. So, guys, look at this. I finally got it out. Yeah, that was rough. I tore my nail. Not my middle finger, I promise. That would be weird if I did that. Okay? I tore this one. This is my middle finger. I promise that was not my middle finger. We gotta use it out. She's so hilarious looking. She's just so cute. God. Wait, no. I'm getting distracted. I want to get Miss Ant out. Wait. That's the bug's mom and she's an ant. Oh! So, today's Thursday, I believe. Guys, is it Thursday? Yeah, I think it is. Okay. Thank you for telling. Okay. Yeah, it's Thursday, I think. Okay, guys, I'm just very dumb. Guys, this is gonna be a struggle, so 1 second. Struggled and I almost tore another nail. Bella, get your furry booty out of the camera. Sorry, Bella. Bella, stop sniffing my Fennec Fox mask. No. Okay, guys, we just have apples left until we get... Oh, and here's all the accessories. I'll show you at the end, okay? Ooh. So this is a new interesting set that I got. Like, I really like the puppy. She's so cute. But, hey, yo, who did that? That was sus. I guess the boogeyman must have done that. It's some weird looking LPS right there. They were like twerking or something. Oh, you guys are watching me struggle? A Miss Struggle. Miss Bella. Miss Bella, what do you think about these apples? Okay. I guess you'd rather stay there. Well, now, guys, it's just the pets. So, let me just get the pets out. I don't know how I'm going to... Hold on, guys. This is also going to be a struggle. God, look at her. She's so cute. She has stars on her. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. So cute. Bella, are you in? Bella, stop rubbing on my mask. You're so mean. Okay. Here's a LPS box. You can rub your little lips on this. Okay. So I'm gonna snip all these out, guys, and sorry about that. Hold on. I got all the pets out. So let's look at these ones. Oh my God. Not showing you my favorite one. I'll show you her at last. The cow. She is very cute though. I wonder where she's gonna live now. There's no more slots left. Okay. Wait, actually. There are slots. Mr. Rooster. And guys, I believe you can actually like do a Roblox code on these. And you guys can play like Roblox stuff. And then here's, like, I'm not really glad that they just give you like one card. like for one of them. Like they should give it all, like if you buy like a one-piece set, you know they come with one. But they should come with all of them for them, because I got a 5-piece set. So yeah, well, not literally, because all of these accessories. Whatever, $10. Like it. Oh. So, you guys haven't seen the ant yet. I don't think I showed you. And then, last but not least, my favorite out of the set. It's a brown puppy dog. Woof woof. Bye guys, that will be it. Well, here's all the accessories. So, Hayville, fence, biscuit, carrots, pail, apples, and this vase pot thing. Bye guys.